Well, in case you missed it, we had an amazing light show play out across the inland Northwest last night. Here are just a few of the really hundreds of pictures of the northern lights that we got into our studio last night. As you can see, Jeremy, just amazing colors.
It was kind of incredible because here on the South Hill, we were just socked in fog. So depending on where you were, you either had clouds and fog or an incredible show.
Yeah.
So there's a chance again tonight.
But we also have clouds tonight.
And it's not as good of a chance as last night.
Okay.
So unfortunately, those things are just one of those ones where you get the forecast, you go, all right, is it actually going to happen? And then it starts happening and you go, all right, everybody get outside. And that's kind of how the aurora works. Last night, we saw some incredible color. We saw the pinks and reds, and that was excited atomic oxygen at very, 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 very high altitudes in the atmosphere. Then, so basically 150 miles or up. Then it's excited oxygen at lower altitudes. That's the greens that are much more common. It's about, less than 150 miles up. Does that make sense? 60 to 150. Then even lower, you get nitrogen. That just takes a ton of energy and you have to be really far off to the north. And we could see those blues from time to time, but it's just a difficult spot. Tonight, we have a chance yet again. However, if we overlay cloud cover, there's a really good shot that we wind up just socked in the clouds once again. Unfortunately, that's just the way it goes. We have an incoming round of rain that is going to start with those clouds building in. Very similar to what we did last night. We only picked up 3/100ths of an inch of rain out of this morning's little shower activity. And here comes our next push. It is likely a lot more rain as that moves in. Seriously, I'm thinking this one is going to be 2/10ths of an inch. So 7 times the amount of rain we saw early this morning. But it's a more prolonged rain event. Our first little wave of cloud cover already taken over central Washington, and I think it just keeps moving in. Tonight, you're hard-pressed to find a break in the clouds. But if you do see a break in the clouds, just look up. It's always worth looking up. You're not sure? Take your phone, snap a picture, look at your picture, and go, oh, it's happening. Then get away from city lights. That's the best way I would describe doing it. Your phone will be what you would see if you got rid of all of the light pollution around you. Tomorrow, we're waking up to light scattered showers. By late morning, I think it's pretty much a guarantee that we're going to see a round of rain moving through. That rain sticks with us through the afternoon and into the evening. By Friday, it turns into a couple of bands of scattered showers. Are they going to set up exactly where this shows? No, but I think it is pretty possible that you wind up seeing a couple of scattered showers both Friday and Saturday. But with the slow-moving nature of our pattern change, what is also likely is that our temperatures stay in the 50s or close to it through the weekend. It's going to be a rather warm few days, despite the chance of rain each and every one. Tomorrow, almost a guarantee. The next few days, you might wind up pretty dry and pretty mild.